Hi friends, this video shows how to enable Anynet Plus on Google TV for Samsung devices. First let me go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to display and sound. Select HDMI CEC. See, right now HDMI CEC has been disabled. Let me enable. Press select button on the remote. Done. This way we can enable HDMI CEC or Anynet Plus in Google TV. After enabling this option in Google TV, you can connect Samsung device to TV using HDMI cable. Then in Samsung device, you have to enable Anynet Plus. After that, using simple remote controller, you would be able to control this Google TV and Samsung device. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.